Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and this is the Roomba Max 705 Combo Robot Plus AutoWash Dock. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this super strong and super smart cleaning companion, but to put it any simpler, this is the best cleaning Roomba we have out to date. We'll go over a few of my personal favorite things that this can provide for you. And as you can see, I've already pulled everything out of the box for this new Roomba. But before we go any further, I did want to quickly mention the cardboard insert that comes inside, as this is going to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get your new Roomba ready for first-time use. Once you get to the QR code, you'll want to go ahead and scan that with your phone, as this will take you to the store to download the Roomba Home app. And this will allow you to get your new Roomba on your Wi-Fi network and to take advantage of all the extra stuff that we're about to talk to you about. All right, I'm excited for this one. Let's go. All right, so the first and most important thing you're probably wondering when it comes to this Roomba is how good of a cleaning companion is it gonna be in your home? Well, the Roomba Max 705 Combo Robot Plus AutoWash Dock is the best cleaning Roomba we have out to date. It has extreme suction power on all floor types, dual edge and rubber brushes that easily pick up all different types of debris you may have in your home. And I know you all are wondering, how good of a mop is this Roomba going to be? Well, with the Power Spin Roller Mop, this thing is fantastic. It's gonna have 200 RPMs of heated mopping, automatically extend along wall edges and into corners, has a scraping tool that keeps the roller mop fresh and tidy in between washes and cleaning missions, and an industry first protective cover that it automatically enables when it approaches any carpeted surfaces that you have in your home. Maybe you need a little bit more cleaning power or less depending on the floors that are in your home. That's totally okay. You have full control over the suction power, the amount of cleaning solution, the amount of passes, and can even turn on or off extra scrubbing when and where needed within your home. So the cleaning portion of this Roomba is really important, but equally as important to me is being able to control when, where, and how I want this cleaning to happen within my home. And this is where this Roomba really shines. It has our Clearview Pro LiDAR navigation along with Precision Vision AI technology, which basically means that this Roomba is super smart and will automatically adjust to what's in front of it. I'm an owner of 3 dogs who love to bring dog toys all over the house and leave them everywhere. We tend to go outside, bring a little bit too much grass or dirt back into the house, and I'm known to spill some coffee or juice within the kitchen. This Roomba is so smart that it's going to dodge and weave around the dog toy or other items on the floor like backpacks, clothes, cables, and even pet waste. It'll know when there's too much dirt or grass within a specific area, hang out there longer automatically before moving off to another, and if it detects any spills within the home, it's going to automatically turn off the vacuum motor and mop only without you doing a single thing. That's right, you all can rest easy knowing you don't need to Roomba-proof your home before telling your Roomba to go clean, either through the Roomba Home app or by simply pressing the power button. So the last thing on my list to talk to you about before we get out of here, and if you've watched any of my previous videos before, you'll know it's one of my favorite things we've ever done, and this is the AutoWash Dock. This thing is a game changer. It'll take all the dirt and debris that Roomba picked up off the floors in your home and automatically empty it up top into an enclosed disposable bag. These bags can hold up to 75 days. Yes, that's 2.5+ months of worry-free vacuuming. When full, go ahead and toss this used bag in the trash and go ahead and replace it with a nearby bag. It'll heated wash and dry the roller mop as needed, and this dock is smart enough to know when to do a self-clean cycle to keep itself fresh and tidy. Now I'm going to quickly take you through the steps to get your new Roomba ready for first-time mopping, and it's as simple as pulling the clear container up and out, unlatching the lid here, go ahead and fill the main portion of this container up with water. Next, you'll want to go ahead and remove the blue top, take the sample solution bottle of your Stay Clean solution and pour half of this in, close the lid, latch the top shut, place the container back in, close the lid there, and your Roomba Max 705 Combo Robot is ready to vacuum and mop the floors in your home. It doesn't get any more hands-free than that. All right, I know I could go on and on about what this Roomba can still do for you, but I've also got to wrap this thing up and get us out of here so you can stop watching this video and start to experience what Roomba clean floors are in your home. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Roomba. and go ahead and leave us a comment on what you want to see from iRobot next. I'll see y'all later.